I have got my hands on the Honor 100. It is launched in China yesterday. Luckily, I am unboxing it today. I will do a full review and tell you everything about the Honor 100 in this video. And in the next video, I will be doing a full review of Oppo Reno 11. There will be many smartphone unboxing and reviews such as OnePlus, Red Magic, Oppo. So do subscribe to my channel for watching those smartphones from China. Also do like and share my videos. Now let's start this phone's review. This is Honor's 100 white color. There is texture only on white color. And the black color also looks nice. You will have a different back design for both Honor 100 and Honor 100 Pro. There's branding on the bottom, the Honor logo. I guess the camera design can't be considered a circle. See, its frame made of aluminum. It is silver on the white color, due to which it shines a lot. It's very sleek. You will get a speaker on the top and a mic, but no IR blaster in this. Also get one more stereo speaker on the bottom. There's a Type-C charging port and a dual SIM card tray. How much number will you give its design 10 out of 10? Let us know in the comments below. The battery usage will be enough because it is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. But why did they offer this 100 watt Type A to C charging adapter? Because nowadays people have already switched to Type C to C charging adapter. Honor 100 comes with a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display. Due to the curved display, its right and left sides bezels are very less visible, but the chin is slightly visible. I guess this is the standard for a curved display nowadays. You can get a 120Hz refresh rate and 2600 nit peak brightness, supporting 436 ppi density and HDR10+. Last but not least, there is a display fingerprint sensor. Honor 100 is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. There's one more chipset that Honor used before it, Honor Magic 5 Pro. The name of that chip is C1. Honor self-developed it for better radio frequency. It runs on Software Magic OS 7.0 and Android 14. Supports NFC, USB Type 2.0, Bluetooth 5.3 and OTG. You will get a quite good front camera, 50 megapixel, and you can record 4K video at 30 fps. There's no 60 fps. You will also get 50 megapixels in the back. Main camera Sony IMX706 sensor plus OIS. The second lens is ultra wide macro 12 megapixel with an aperture of 2.2. Now let me tell you the price, variants and color of the Honor 100. It has 4 colors: black, white, blue and purple. There are 3 variants available. I will mention the price here so you know what can be the prices in your country. This video ends here. I will catch you in the next video, which will feature the Oppo Reno 11. Take care of yourself. Bye.